Hello folks, this is Motoflatus. I'm Tracy and welcome back. Ordered a new GIVI, whatever, windshield for it. Off, so you want to be careful of that. And make sure that when you get it back on, it's back in where it needs to be exactly, so you don't break anything. And then you take the new winder, should slide into there gently. We'll get a screw started here so it don't fall off on the floor. There you go, folks. We've got a newly installed GIVI windshield. Thing about the taller windshield is on a non-windy day, or if you're going towards the wind, it actually works pretty good. But if you got a side wind, I almost think it makes it worse. So I'm going to throw that out there, but that's just my own opinion. So I'm really not in a big talky mood today, so I may just mount the camera up and see what kind of trouble we can get into. Well, somewhere along the line I took a left turn at Albuquerque and ended up back down here at Mud Creek Conservation Department. It's just a little place. I don't know if you guys can read that. Canoe. What we get? A little speckles in that one. Rocky trail. So 1937, so this is pretty much 118, 17-year-old bridge. I don't know. I'm doing math in my head. I need to get back in the sun and get cold. I think it's 50, maybe 50 degrees, 48 degrees out. beautiful day. Be a beautiful day. I had a little fun on the Kirby road, but I took it easy because it worries me with the leaves and walnuts and everything else. Guys, gotta be careful. So far, the GIVI, whatever it is, windshield, I'm loving it. I know my helmet's a lot quieter than it was. And I'm getting a lot less buffeting than I did on the soft tail, so yeah. Good deal. On to the next one. Panamerica is a fine machine. I find myself itching to ride it more, and when I am on it, I seem to enjoy it more. And I did put the louder muffler on it so I could drop it down so I could run hard bags without putting the brackets on it that make it clear the factory exhaust, but I couldn't stand the noise. I like to listen to the motor click better than that the exhaust ringing in my head. And the motors are kind of noisy on these things. And it seems like some days it makes different noises than other days. So. We got about 216 miles on our last couple rides. It looks like we've got about I think 40 miles today, 30. Not very far. Took a lot of gravel. Been out for a long time, but we took a lot of gravel, so yeah, go this way. From the Mississippi River, and I would like to start at the Mississippi, jump on a gravel road, and go all the way across the state of Iowa on this thing. I think that would be a blast. Ooh. I think that'd be a good time. A good time, a good time, a good time. Well, YouTube, I'm going to call it good enough for this video. And I think I got enough footage to make one today. My GIVI windshield, I like it. Is it worth the money? Yeah. Loving my Panamerica. I don't care what anybody says. It seems like you go online and people sure love to hate on them, but for as much technology they got crammed into one of these things, I'm kind of surprised it does as well as it does. And it seems like they've got a lot of the bugs worked out of them. I mean, I've only got 831 miles on this one. Ooh, it is 53 degrees out. But 831 miles on this one, but yeah, so far, knock on wood, it's done pretty good. And I've been pretty happy with it, except for when I put the loud exhaust on it, and yeah, I didn't like that at all. I kind of like it quiet. And I honestly, personally like the looks of stock exhaust, so So anyway, thanks for tuning in, everybody that's subscribed and liked, which is I think one person every time, probably my stalker. You know who you are. Thanks a lot for tuning in, and I'm going to call it good enough for this one, and we'll catch you in the next one.